Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Notion finance tracker. First, open Notion and create a new page. Title it Finance Tracker and choose a table view. This will be your central hub for managing money. We'll set up columns for date, amount, and transaction type. This simple structure makes tracking easy and efficient, helping you see where your money goes at a glance. Let's dive in. Now, let's log your daily transactions. Each time you spend or receive money, add a new entry to your table. Be sure to include the date, the exact amount, and a clear description. Categorizing your transactions, like groceries or salary, helps you understand spending patterns. This consistent input is key to maintaining an accurate financial overview and making informed decisions. With your data entered, it's time to analyze. Create different views to filter transactions by category, month, or even payment method. You can use Notion's formula property to automatically calculate your total income, expenses, and remaining balance. This gives you powerful insights into your financial health. Visualizing your data helps you identify trends and areas for improvement. Finally, let's talk about budgeting and goals. You can create a budget by adding a budgeted amount property to your categories and comparing it to your actual spending. This helps you stay on track. Use your tracker to monitor progress towards savings goals, like saving $5,000 for a down payment. Notion makes it easy to visualize your financial journey and achieve your objectives.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.